Hey everyone! Ever been in a new spot and needed to share your exact location on WhatsApp? It's super easy, and today I'll show you how to do it quickly on your Android phone. Let's jump in. First, open WhatsApp and head to the chat where you want to share your location. It could be a friend, family member, or even a group chat. Once there, look for the paperclip icon on the bottom right. It's what you use to send attachments. When you tap on the paperclip, you'll see a menu pop up with options like Document, Gallery, and Location. Go ahead and select Location. This will open a map showing your current location. Now, WhatsApp gives you two main choices. The first one is Send your current location. This is a snapshot of where you are at the moment. Second one is Share live location. If you want someone to track your location in real time for a certain period, choose this one. You can set it to share for 15 minutes, 1 hour, or 8 hours. Let's start with the basic option, sending your current location. Tap on it, and WhatsApp will send a pin on the map to your contact showing exactly where you are right now. If you want to share your live location, just tap on Share Live Location and choose the duration. This is great for when you're on the move and want someone to see where you are in real time. Just remember to turn it off when you're done sharing. To make sure your location is as accurate as possible, turn on your phone's GPS in the settings. It'll make sure your contact gets a precise location, which is helpful if you're in a crowded area or a new city. And that's it. Now you can easily send your location to friends or family on WhatsApp. Give it a try and let me know how it goes in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching.